everybody, welcome back to All Things Venus. This is Aishwarya. I have been seeing so many sales everywhere, like on Nykaa, on Amazon, on Myntra. Every time I see a beauty video, I have Sara Ali Khan in my face talking about purple.com, talking about how my best friend की शादी में ये best friend best दिखेगी. Long story short, so I was trying to get my hands on this on Nykaa, and this is 195 rupees. You know, you have to make a bill of almost 500 or 600 to get free shipping. Spend like 5-10 minutes trying to add things to my cart, make a bill of 600. Within 5-10 minutes, this would go out of stock. So then I started looking for it in other websites, and that's when I thought, hey, you know what? Purple.com, Sara Ali Khan. I went on it out of curiosity and also because I wanted to really get my hands on this pencil, and it said free shipping on your first order. So the plan was I'll go select this and just put my address and say free shipping. So now I am gonna show you guys this lip liner. It looks like this. It just arrived. I threw the packaging because, you know, it's not very sanitary to keep these things around. So one thing when I'm buying on sale, one thing I keep in mind, guys, which is very important, just be sure to see the expiry date. Year of expiry is 2024, month and year of import is 2021. Always see that, you know, because Nykaa, when I buy things on sale, sometimes they send me like thoda aisa product on which I only have like 6 months or 10 months left for expiry. So I learned it from there that okay, I must always. Hey, how to open this yaar? Through the power of editing. Khul ja, sim sim. And ye khul gaya. So I'm not wearing anything on my face right now. Like there's no makeup, I mean. I'm wearing skincare and sunscreen. I'm wearing Snail Mucin Be Minimalist SPF 60 Silly Marine sunscreen, which is the new launch sunscreen. So if you want to check out that video, I've already made a review on it. I'll put the link in description, or I'll put a pop-up. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is what it looks like. Okay, if I put it really dark, it's like this. It's not a full brown, it looks a little brownish, but it's got some red undertones, which I love on my yellow skin. Not bad for overlining. I'm just going to fill my lips first and then I'm going to overline.
If you guys like these kind of close-up shots, macro shots, then you should subscribe and hit that bell notification and select always, because these are the kind of shots that you'll be mostly seeing on my channel. And I love showing things in tube light and in sunlight, so you guys can get a good idea of what the actual color is like more swatches that are true to color. So subscribe.
It's looking a little more red on camera. In person, it's a little bit more brown. Yes, all the lights are off. This is in sunlight, and I've not even tweaked the camera settings at all. This is exactly how it is looking in person. Actually, it's looking a little bit more deeper and darker. Do you see that? It's so beautiful. I can definitely see the hype around it. I can see why it's so famous and why it's always out of stock. I'm not even feeling very dry in my lips. I mean, I did put a moisturizing lipstick. I removed it though, but before this the video I was shooting, for that I put a moisturizing lipstick. So, and it's a really good color if you want to overline your lips. If you have slightly warm skin like mine, or maybe a little deeper than me, and if you want to overline your lips, then this is the best, most affordable lip liner, I think. Wet n Wild is always a great brand. I have used Wet n Wild eyeshadow. Their Comfort Zone palette is my favorite. Absolutely little to no transfer. Do you see that? It's very slight transfer there. Very little. And Wet n Wild Catsuit in Give Me Mocha. This never goes on sale, guys. I have seen it on Nykaa. I have seen it on so many other websites. It never goes on sale, and this had like around 20% discount, so I love that. And I've seen a lot of people put this one, Give Me Mocha, on top of Chestnut. Arey, khul ja, sim sim, yay. Let's see the expiry, guys, because this is so important. I cannot stress it enough. Every time you buy a new product, be sure to see the expiry. 2024 and 2021 got manufactured. Should I switch on the lighting? I mean, am I looking really dark and dull? I can see I'm actually looking a little darker. This is looking a little darker in the camera than what it actually is. I think that feature is really good for overlining the lips. Did Purple.com send me a slightly older product writing that it got manufactured newly? Have you guys used Wet n Wild Catsuit? Does it smell a little chemically? Let me know in the comments. There, now it's color accurate. Sunlight was making everything look a little too warm. Like even my skin color is not that warm as it was making it look. This is my actual skin color. This is how the color looks, and it's starting to set. The texture is creamy. It's definitely not powdery, but you have to moisturize before you apply this, because as it is setting, I can feel that it's becoming more and more matte, and the color also is slightly changed. It was a very deep brown, and now it's becoming mauve. Actually, you know what, guys, it's looking a little reddish brown. I think because of the lip liner I've applied it on, but on its own it's a mauve shade. It's a pinky brown shade. It's not browny red. So this is how it looks without foundation. But even with the lip liner, I must say, it is such a beautiful color. I can see the hype around it, and I can see why Nykaa never puts this shade specially, Give Me Mocha, on sale. I have seen Rebel Rose go on sale for about 5% one time on Nykaa. Give Me Mocha never went on sale. I would know because I monitored these sales like a maniac. I'm really liking it. Like, I don't feel like taking it off and putting the next lip color. And I also bought this. This is Lakme's fastest selling lip shade. This is in nude pink. So that one, all of them were on sale. I think almost I made a bill of around 1000, and I got like some 300 rupees off with sale product के ऊपर थोड़ी sale है. And you get your some, if you download the app, you get like around 15-20% off on your first order. So ऐसे है. So overall, I saved 350 rupees on products that I was willing to buy for full price. मतलब basically I was searching on Nykaa कि कब stock में आएगा, कब मैं खरीदूँ. In their liquid lip color range. This is another product that I've never seen it go on sale. It's around 300 rupees. I got about 15% discount on this. And this is in their shade nude pink. Now a girl at Shoppers Stop, like the sales person, she told me that nude pink is their fastest selling lip color. I went there to buy this Chambord BR01 lip liner. One of my favorites. I will do a video on lip liners separately. All the lipsticks that I've bought many. Right now I'm just showing you the 3 that I bought from purple.com. So you can see the difference. These two are really popular shades. Give Me Mocha. Give Me Mocha is here, the top one. And Nude Pink Lakme. What I'm wearing right now is Give Me Mocha. Ooh, it's really pink. There's nothing nude about it. It's a full pink. It feels very light. This feels lighter on the lip than Give Me Mocha. It sets so quickly, like it just took around 10 seconds and it's set. Give Me Mocha took like around a good 30 seconds to 1 minute. It's set really slowly. So with Lakme Absolute Lip Color, you have very little to almost no playtime. Wherein while Catsuit gives you more playtime, and this absolutely did not settle in my fine lines whatsoever. This one is also not settling, but I feel if you have chapped lips, it will settle. Can you see my crack over here? This one, this. You can see how deep it is. It's showing the depth of my crack. It's not settling in it because it's so light in its texture. It's so lightweight that it does not settle, but it's so drying that it will amplify the cracks. Exfoliate or put a lot of lip balm. I can see it's dried down and it's not showing the overline at all. It's not looking like I have crossed the lip line at all. See, it's looking like part of the lip, the overlining. So if you want to overline with it, yay, we can. This one, Nude Pink, it's a little smudgy, like see, and this one doesn't smudge at all. I'll say this is a very face brightening lip color. I can see why this is such a fast moving color. Pink anyway is always a very popular lip color among lipsticks. It always has been. But this shade in particular is very face brightening. And let me know what else you want to see from me in the comments. I have an extensive lipstick and lip liner collection. Would you guys be interested in seeing that, or do you just want to see skincare and foundation reviews from me? Let me know.